Hi, I'm Linda Kooper-Smith, and this is Closets Etc., the show that brings you creative design and organizational ideas. Sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where your relationship has moved to another level, meaning that two homes merge into one, and that's exactly what happened right here. This room used to be a home office. We moved it into the corner, and it became a dressing room. It's very easy to do to create this room. I used slat wall, putting it up on the largest wall to give me the most hanging space available, built some shoe cabinets, and then also threw in a rolling rack because sometimes there just isn't enough wall to hang your clothes on. But this makes a really great solution, and also it makes you really feel like you're in a store, and I know you ladies love shopping. We used cabinets here with deep shelving for heel-to-toe shoe storage, and over here, because there simply wasn't enough space to hang all the pants, I used shelving for that. Folded the pants, everything in the same direction by color, moving into shorts and skirts below. A great way to store belts is by using an ornament box like this one. I hope your ideas run wild. See you next time.